Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning out here. Today is June 19th, 2025, also known as Juneteenth. So you can see the moon up there, and it may be a beautiful morning right now, but I'm thinking this is gonna change, because if you look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook, there's some pretty extreme weather coming. I'm gonna go sit down in the shade and I'll be right back. My dogs are out here just chilling in the sun, but it may be sunny and calm outside for now, but all this is about to change. Oh, by the way, right now they're talking about a heat advisory. The high is going to be like in the lower 90s today, so it's going to be hot, and it's going to get pretty severe storms. So I don't know if I explained this yet, but there's an enhanced risk of severe weather today for obviously my area, but also like parts of southeastern New York. Not quite New York City, but in New Jersey and Maryland and Delaware and parts of Virginia and even Washington D.C. There's an enhanced risk in those areas. So I won't be available. I hope the storms don't happen too early, because I'll be gone from like 3 until 6. Or at least after 6 p.m. we should start getting, I think the storms might already be in Bucks County as early as 6 p.m. And I should be home before the storms hit, but it looks like these storms will be pretty bad. There is only an isolated tornado threat right now, but if the tornado threat may increase, but I'm not sure. But if it does, it would probably increase in this area.
Mostly sunny. Patchy fog this morning. Scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Hot with highs in the lower 90s.
This is not good.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to noon. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall.